So check this out, I got it out of the pot, the label. And this is a cross of my own. I'm incredibly proud. This is such a beautiful flower. And the cross is Winteriana crossed with Anemone. Lobivia hybrid Anemone. Anemone has a dark throat. Winteriana has this white throat like this. What a great combination. I'm super happy. This is one of the best Lobivia hybrids that I have so far. And the flowers are big. Big for a Lobivia. This is really fantastic. I'm so proud. Proud cactus father. Awesome. Gotta take more photos of it because it's so amazing.